So here I'm demonstrating in the video crimps with the Marcel iron versus using the irons that go inside of the stove. It's a little more, and you want to take piece by piece, comb it thoroughly, and then get you some spray also. Spray it down really good and just overlap over and over and over. And that's pretty much basically how you get your crimps style if you pay attention. Also at the end, you want to make sure that you crimp it at the end also, and it curves under, and move on to the next piece. It is a little time consuming, but I guarantee that you will love your results. So just do it the way that's shown in the video, and you should get great results. And then leave me some feedback underneath the video, comments, subscribe, whatever may have you, and maybe I could try something else, or you could tell me something I'm not doing or something you did that I could do or improve, better skills, better irons, and different things like that.
Down.